Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure mobile data is active and the phone has enough battery. Connect the phone to your computer with a reliable USB cable. Avoid loose adapters. On Android, unlock the screen and accept any USB prompts. Enable USB tethering in settings. On iPhone, trust the computer when prompted and allow data sharing. Once done, the computer should detect a new network interface. If it doesn't, check the cable and phone notifications for permission prompts. You now enable tethering. On Android, open Hotspot and tethering and toggle USB tethering. On iPhone, turn personal hotspot on and plug in via USB. On the computer, open network settings and verify a new Ethernet or RNDIS adapter appears. Set it to obtain IP and DNS automatically. If you need manual settings, copy the phone's IP scheme and enter gateway and DNS. Once configured, test connectivity by loading a simple web page. Ping a stable IP to confirm low-level connectivity. You finish by confirming the connection works and securing the session. Disable unnecessary VPNs and close tethering unfriendly apps. If the adapter is present but there's no internet, restart both devices and reconnect the cable. That often resolves driver or permission issues. Make sure your mobile plan permits tethering because carriers sometimes restrict it. If problems persist, update device drivers on the computer or enable USB debugging to reveal errors. Then retry. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.